In 2025, creating and monetizing mobile applications no longer requires advanced programming skills or a background in computer science. The rise of no-code platforms and advanced AI tools like ChatGPT has made it possible for anyone with a solid idea to build, publish, and even sell an app with minimal technical effort. This new wave of technology empowers entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators to bring digital products to life faster and more affordably than ever before. The development process begins with a clear concept. Rather than spending days brainstorming, you can use ChatGPT to help generate app ideas tailored to market trends, personal interests, or specific target audiences. For instance, if you're interested in health and wellness, you might explore the idea of a habit tracker or meditation app. If you're targeting professionals, a project management tool or time tracking app could be more suitable. ChatGPT can refine your concept, suggest feature lists, and even outline a basic user flow, allowing you to start with a defined structure and clear direction. Once the concept is in place, the next step is to choose the right no-code platform. Tools like Bubble, Glide, Adalo, and Flutterflow offer a variety of templates and visual builders that eliminate the need for traditional programming. These platforms allow you to design the user interface by dragging and dropping components, set up workflows, and connect to databases, APIs, or third-party services. Each platform has its strengths. For example, Glide is ideal for building apps from Google Sheets, Bubble offers more flexibility for web apps, and Adalo is great for mobile-first design. Depending on your goals, you can choose the platform that aligns best with your app's functionality and your own comfort level. ChatGPT continues to be useful throughout the building process. It can help you write user-facing content such as onboarding messages, app descriptions, push notification text, or even in-app support messages. You can also use it to troubleshoot logic problems in your no-code workflows by describing the issue and getting tailored suggestions. If your platform allows code snippets or custom scripting, like JavaScript in Bubble, ChatGPT can generate or correct code for you. Design is another critical component, and no-code platforms often provide default themes and elements. However, to make your app stand out, it's essential to create a clean, modern interface. ChatGPT can recommend color palettes based on your app's purpose, suggest UX improvements, or generate UI copy that enhances usability. You can also use free design tools like Figma or Canva to create icons and illustrations, then import them into your app. After completing the core functionality and design, you'll need to test your app thoroughly. This includes checking for responsiveness on different devices, ensuring workflows function as expected, and gathering feedback from a small group of users. Most no-code platforms offer preview and testing modes, and some allow you to publish a beta version for limited distribution before going live. When your app is ready for launch, no-code tools typically provide export or publishing options directly to the Apple App Store, Google Play, or the web. Publishing requirements will vary depending on the platform, but ChatGPT can assist with writing a compelling App Store description, setting up your privacy policy, and preparing marketing materials. This includes email campaigns, social media posts, or even basic SEO optimization for App Store visibility. Monetization strategies depend on your app type. You might choose in-app purchases, subscriptions, one-time payments, or ads. ChatGPT can help model different monetization scenarios and suggest pricing based on competitor analysis. Additionally, it can assist in crafting persuasive landing pages and ad copy for paid promotions. Finally, if your app gains traction and consistent users, you can consider selling it. Marketplaces like Flippa, MicroAcquire, or IndieMaker allow you to list digital assets, including apps. A well-documented, user-friendly app with a solid user base can attract buyers looking for passive income or product expansion. Preparing a pitch, creating a valuation, and negotiating the sale can all be guided or assisted by ChatGPT to streamline the process. In conclusion, the combination of ChatGPT and no-code tools is transforming the way apps are built and sold. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, making 2025 the perfect time for creators of all backgrounds to enter the app development space. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle, launch a full business, or just experiment with a digital idea, you now have everything you need to get started, without writing a single line of code.